Welcome to M365 Professional Videos. If you're into searching for business idea and use Microsoft 365 productivity app, then you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into manage an agile project with sprints, where you'll learn key benefit. Stay tuned because you won't want to miss this. Today we're going to go over a feature in project for the web that can make your project management process more effective and agile. It's called Sprints, and it lets you prioritize tasks into time-boxed periods so you can move your project forward in a focused and efficient way. By using the Sprints feature, team members can easily see which tasks belong to which sprint, monitor the progress of each sprint, and adjust the task list as needed. This can be especially helpful during sprint planning and sprint retrospective, where team members can assess their progress and make adjustments to the next sprint. To use this feature, the easiest way to get started is to use our sprint planning template. The template will immediately open up the sprints view and will showcase examples of how to use the feature. If you wish to use this feature for an existing project, you can also change to the board view and select Coop by and then Sprints. This will enable sprints in your project. You can now see a backlog and a default example sprint. To add a new task to the backlog, just click the Add New Task button and fill in the fields with your task information. Tasks you create outside of this view will automatically default to the backlog if they're not directly added to a sprint. Next, you'll want to create a new sprint by selecting a new sprint and giving it a name and a start or end date. Using the calendar, you can also rename the default sprint example and customize its dates if desired to move tasks between different sprints or between sprints and a backlog. Simply select the task and drag and drop it to the appropriate location. You can use the overflow menu to delete sprints if needed. You can also tap on a sprint to edit its name or date. Sprints can also be helpful when used with some of our other features like the People view, for example during stand-ups. You can use the Sprints filter in the People view to quickly see what the team is working on for the sprint and rebalance your team's workload. The Timeline view can also be very powerful when used alongside the sprint. You can use the sprints to manage your project and short-term deliverables while leveraging the Timeline view to track and drive towards project dates and milestones. With sprints, you can collaborate on planning, tracking, and completing tasks in a more organized way and help your team achieve their project goals more efficiently. We hope you find this feature helpful and welcome any questions or feedback you might have. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the People View feature in project for the web. This feature allows you to quickly optimize and balance workload applications to account for over or under allocation, expertise, preference, and so on. To get started, you can open any existing project and select the People tab here. Each project team member with at least one task assigned to them is represented with a People card, which summarizes their current workload. The tally bar gives you an at-a-glance view of each person's workload. The boxes are color-coded to show the person's workload status. Below each card is a task column containing additional information about their assigned tasks. As you can see, each task column is organized by subgroupings, and you can easily move tasks between different assignees and subgroupings as well. You can also modify your selected subgrouping option by using the Group By menu to select other options, such as bucket progress, finish date, labels, and priority. You can also selectively filter tasks based on criteria such as person progress, priority, and more. This can be done using the Filter Tasks button on the toolbar. If you wish to modify how this view is displayed, you can select the View Options pane. Here you'll find options including Show Workload by Hours or Tasks Compact Mode, which dictates how much information is shown on each task card, as well as an option to hide completed tasks. Another visual change you can make is changing the color of buckets. To help quickly identify various bucket areas that each team member is working on, adding new tasks in this view is also easy. Just click the New Tasks button under each People card. This will open the New Task dialog box where you can then enter the details of each task. In conclusion, with People View, You can easily assess and rebalance a workload across your team. We hope you find this feature helpful and welcome any questions or feedback you might have. Managing an Agile project with sprints requires a structured approach, clear communication, and continuous improvement. By defining clear goals, maintaining a strong backlog, planning efficiently, and utilizing Agile tools, teams can ensure successful project execution. With consistent sprint cycles, teams can adapt quickly to changes and deliver high-quality results efficiently. By implementing these strategies, Agile teams can maximize productivity, collaboration, and customer satisfaction while keeping projects on track. Don't forget to subscribe or like us for more videos. Thank you.